shit. I forgot I put the camera at a different angle. What's up, y'all? It's your boy is Apocalypse. Welcome to the channel, subscribers and viewers. Today we got Don Bon Go, hOtbOx the wHip, requested by the homie A Cooley. Shout out to A Cooley, man. Much love and support. We got Don Bon Go. Okay. Bars. I don't know what the fuck I did. Yo, Cooley, don't beat me up for that. I'm a bird, son. I'm a bird. I'm just doing. Okay, I'm gonna get to it. All right, let me full screen it. Before we get started, yo, comment below what you want me to react to next, and let's get it.
Yeah, I got this bitch with me.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what whip I'm already in the box for the milk too, and shit. She got the J rolled up, I got a J rolled up. It's got a J rolled up. This motherfucker.
Woo!
hOtbOx this motherfucker. hOtbOx, nigga. hOtbOx that shit. hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx
Already.
hOtbOx the wHip. 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 You know what I'm doing. Rolling the J after J. Smoking and fit. We taking no breaks. I don't think niggas can breathe. This is the marijuana sting. Life in the coop. Got my mind on the loop. From the wax that I scoop.
Woo!
A nigga is getting hungry. That's the munchies. Where's the food? All you can eat buffet. Plate after plate. That is the loot. Supplying shit. Then we put the fire to the J, bitch. Then we hOtbOx the wHip. Then we hOtbOx the wHip. Supplying shit. Then we put the fire to the J, bitch. Then we hOtbOx the wHip. Then we hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip.
This shit is lit, yo. hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip. Yo.
hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip. hOtbOx the wHip.
Okay. Brody. Yo. On some shit, yo. I fucks with this song. I left a like before I get my full review. Yo, I fucks with this song, yo. I like the instrumental. I like his flow. I like the way he delivered. Yo. Don Bon Go, if you ever watch this, bro, I fucks with this shit. Keep it up, bro. Seriously, I want to subscribe because I want to look for more, yo. Notification bell on deck. Hey, I'm 8th subscriber. I'm the 8th. So that you know I really subscribe. Matter of fact, hold up, because motherfuckers think I be bullshitting. Hold up. Look at that. I'm the 8th. Yo. I'm the 8th. Listen. Yo. Cooley, thank you so much for requesting this, yo. I fucks with this shit. Hard body. Yo. I gotta listen to this shit when I'm done, yo. Like, yo, I'm probably gonna be listening to this shit for a good day, yo. Like, I'm probably gonna listen to this shit all day. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh, man. Yo. Don Bon Go. I gotta be on the lookout for some more shit, man. Y'all subscribe to Don Bon Go. Link in the description along with the original track. Cause he hOtbOx the wHip like a motherfucker. Hey, yo. Also, subscribe to A Cooley, man. Thank him so much for requesting this shit. Y'all go subscribe to him. He does some awesome reactions. He got some Cooley raps. This dude is amazing, yo. Like, seriously. He definitely a cool dude outside of his YouTube shit as well. Not many people like that, yo. That's why I'm like, yo, I fucks with this shit, hard body. I fucks with him. But y'all subscribe to A Cooley, Don Bongo. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Leave a like if you enjoyed this reaction. Comment below with your thoughts about this reaction, this track. Share this with everybody, whether you know him or not. Share this with Don Bongo. Share this with A Cooley. Share this with everybody in the fucking world. Deuces.